Hey guys, this is Brain Nectar, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the XP Pen Star 06 wireless tablet. This is probably my first wireless tablet. Now they didn't send this to me, I bought this, so just disclaiming that I'm not misleading or saying they sent me it. I bought it and I wanted to check it out and show you guys. Also kind of a progress update, a tiny bit like a vlog, just showing you like my art equipment. So this could be really like an art equipment video. So on the inside we have the tablet. It says please visit the XP Pen website to download the latest driver. So apparently you'll have to go in and check for drivers. Right off the bat from opening it, you can see that it's definitely a pretty sizable tablet. You probably want to get a stand for this since it's so big. It's like 2 or 3 times the size of my old pen pad or drawing tablet, which is can be a good thing for a size when you do those really large A300 or A600 canvas size paintings on Krita. And then you can have all the chargers and cords in here. Here's the stylus. This is the little storage dock or bay for your pen. I guess also a charger. Well, you can also put nubs and stuff in there. And then, let's see. It said you can also go wireless. May have to get it to connect to my computer somehow. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to open something up single-handedly. Oh, and they do give you the half glove, do they call it? Maybe a half glove? Kind of. But I'm glad they did because it will probably help reduce like the slide on the tablet or the friction. I'm not sure if it'll fit my hand well. I guess my hand's kind of an unusual size or thinness, so I don't know. So it's definitely got a regular micro, typically a micro head insertion on the cable. This is probably also the charger. Now they said the stylus pen is wireless, so you don't have to worry about putting a lot of AAA batteries in there like I had to on my old one. I'll play around more with that later. But it feels like it's got a decent weight and a sturdiness. Got the warranty policy. I'm not sure how often people use the warranty policies on electronics. I mean, I'm sure they do, but I don't hear about it every day, or at least don't have to use it every day. The manual. And please forgive my terrible camera work. I have no one to help me film this today, and I don't usually do reviews on this channel, so it's kind of new to me. I'm gonna lift up the top to see if there's anything more underneath. Sometimes you get hidden surprises. Oh, empty. There's nothing. Okay, I guess not. Nothing. Well guys, I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll probably have more about this, tablet later. I'll test it out, check out the software, talk about it, maybe do another art equipment video. So, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.